Content is the most important marketing tool in today's world. When done correctly, it can bring in a huge amount of leads to your business, increase your brand awareness, and grow your customer base. However, knowing how to promote your content doesn't come naturally to everyone. That is why you must know the right way to promote your content so you can achieve your goals while still keeping up with the latest trends. Hi, and welcome to AClasses Media. We create content to help small businesses stand out from the crowd. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of our educational content. What is content promotion? Content promotion is the process of making content visible to people and attracting them to it. It also includes the tools and strategies used to make sure that people come across your content regularly. There are many types of content promotion methods that can be used in different situations. Some of the more common examples are blog outreach, social media engagement, email outreach, paid advertising campaigns. Now let's go ahead and break down the argument even further. Where and how to promote your content like a pro. There are a few key areas to consider when promoting your content. First, give it a catchy title that is easy to remember and you will make the reader want to click through. Next, make sure you include a few convincing pieces of text that can be used as body copy on your ad or social media post. Lastly, add another sentence of convincing content so that people know they are not wasting their time scrolling down. Think about some of the best posts or magazine stories you have read and imagine how they carefully put their stories together to hook you in till the end. What I mean is that you need to be convincing in your approach and be ready to provide a solution to the people. I know we are talking about taking your precious time to create valuable content and then giving it out to the people. Now I can almost see you rolling your eyeballs like, how are you supposed to benefit from it? Now consider your content promotion, at least from a business perspective, like a man who went to plant his seeds in the soil. The man needs to trust the process so he can reap several folds in harvest time. Promoting your blog content is a crucial part of the process, and it can be a lot of work to get it done. Luckily, there are many ways to promote your content that don't require much effort on your part. What can you do to plant your seed? Consider writing guest posts for other blogs. Using social media to share your content with others. Create a list of influencers in your niche and reach out to them. There is no one solution to fix all, so you are going to have to try out different approaches until you find what works best for you and your situation. What are the best content promotion tools and websites in the market? Many content promotion tools in the market can help you enhance your content marketing strategy. These tools and websites allow you to create engaging content for your readers, increase traffic, and get more conversions. The great thing about these tools is that they are easy to use and provide instant results. Some of the best content promotion tools in the market include Identify influencers in your niche with BuzzSumo. What is BuzzSumo? BuzzSumo is a platform that allows you to find engaging pieces of content and discover new potential outreach opportunities. The site allows you to search for content that has received the most shares, links, and comments. Optimize your ad spend social media post with Hootsuite. Hootsuite has been around since 2008, and it's still one of the most popular platforms for social media management. It provides a dashboard-like interface, similar to that of Facebook, with integrations for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Automate your social media with Buffer. Buffer is a software tool that assists with social media marketing activities. The core feature of Buffer is scheduling posts for publishing on multiple social networks. Quora helps you with community content marketing. Quora is an American social question and answer website that lets you ask and answer questions collaboratively. It has been around for a while and has recently taken the world by storm with its new features, top-notch content, and empathetic community. Use BuzzStream for your end-to-end outreach and link building. BuzzStream is a web-based software that helps marketers of all sizes promote their products, services, and content. Link building and brand promotion are some of the most popular options for users who want to increase visibility for their businesses. Share your content with Viral Content Bee. Viral Content Bee, formerly Viral Content Buzz, allows businesses to share their content with the public easily. Not only does the platform put your content up on social media, but it also puts you in front of influencers. Apart from these few listed ones, there are many other tools out there to help you promote and share your best content with a social network to get to your right audience. With that now fully understood, it might be a good idea to find out the difference between content promotion versus content distribution. Shall we? Is it better to promote your content or distribute them? There's a lot to consider when it comes to lead generation. You don't want your content all over the place, and you don't want to limit your lead generation. You should try a little of this and a little of that to get the highest quality audience and drive more conversions for your business this way. Promoting your videos or other content on social media platforms is not enough these days. You also want to get your content in front of those who are most likely to be interested in it and share it with your targeted email audience. How to create a content promotion strategy. Marketing is one of the most important aspects of any business, so it's always a good idea to have a plan in place before you start creating content. Having an overarching strategy will save you from creating content that isn't getting traction and could potentially harm your company's bottom line. But many people get stuck at this point and don't know how to create content. This can both be time-consuming, boring, and not fun at all. Before you invest in the creation of any content, do your research, outline a strategy, and plan it out. These are easy enough to follow and can lead you right where you want to go. A good strategy could be to define your audience. Who are you creating content for? As simple as that might sound to you, not knowing who you are creating content for can mean a total failure before you even start. Content creation is a tricky process. You can't just create content without understanding your consumer. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. If you know the audience, then you can tailor your message to them and make it more effective. If you don't know who your target audience is, then your chances of success are pretty slim. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content promotion? The first step in creating your content promotion strategy is to find out why you are creating it in the first place. Before diving into specific details, this will help you answer the most important question to your success. What's in it for me? Maybe you want to generate more sales. It could be to increase traffic to your website. Why not? You might want to build brand authority so you can stand out in the crowd. Any of these, or a combination of more, can be a valid goal for your content promotion. It's always important to set achievable goals and to assess the success of your content marketing campaign. These targets can be quantified so that you'll be able to see the progress you have made, and where it's not immediately possible, your objectives should still be measurable. Research your competitors. Know the data. Another important step in your content promotion strategy is to find more information. A lot of information about your audience, the market, and everything. Examining what competition you'll face might help you get a better understanding of how to attract your audience's attention. But remember that you won't be the only ones competing for people's attention. Traditional competitors, social media, etc., all seek to keep people's attention. Consider what type of content your competitors are producing and whether it is effective. If so, you can use the same type of articles, as ever-increasing numbers of people seek to emulate the very best in their markets. Your competitors are always looking for new ways to produce content that gets readers to click on their links and make a purchase. You need to analyze all the resources you can get and get your hands dirty to craft your strategy. I want to repeat this at the risk of sounding like a broken record. Find what can work for you and your situation, because we are not all the same. If you put enough effort into it, you will get the result you're looking for. Key takeaways on how to ultimately promote your content the right way. Content marketing is a game of patience. It is not something that can be done overnight. As you continue to create content, your audience will respond, and you will learn more about what they need from your brand by observing their interactions with the content you have created. You will also see how they engage with the different types of content you produce over time, which will help you create a more targeted and effective strategy going forward. Pay attention to these in your content promotion strategy, and your success is almost guaranteed.
If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who might like this video. Thank you, and talk to you in the next video.